In this help video, I will walk you through a complete process of how to create a posting of a supplier invoice. On bookkeeping, click on postings where you will see a list of recent postings. Then proceed to click on the new posting button. When the default page of journal entry appears, go to the type drop-down list and click on supplier invoice option. A supplier invoice page then appears, and this is where all invoices received from regular suppliers are recorded. Start by selecting the date of the invoice and proceed to indicate the entry number on the invoice. If this entry is consecutive from the previous, then leave the entry number as it is, otherwise indicate the correct number according to your bookkeeping patterns. Proceed to indicate the amount on the invoice. And finally, indicate the currency the invoice amount is in. Afterwards, indicate the supplier number if you know it offered, or click on the search icon to select the supplier from your list of suppliers. Select the supplier by clicking on the green tick icon. Note that if it's a new supplier, then you first have to enter their details in the supplier database. Then select credits to indicate that with the receipt of the invoice, then we owe the supplier some money. Proceed to indicate the contra account number if you know the number offhand, or click on the search icon to select the account, indicating that this is the account affected from the purchases that we have made. Indicate the VAT charged on the posting, and in this case, it's going to be a purchase 16% standard as we are recording an invoice. Click on Accounts Affected button where a pop-up appears showing all the accounts affected. There is a payables account indicating that the invoice recorded is for an expense yet to be paid. It also shows the expense account affected and the tax charged on that expense. Finally, indicate the invoice number and the due date indicated on the invoice. Proceed to indicate a brief description of what the invoice was about and save the changes. The system then shows you the posting and gives you 3 options alongside each posting. The pencil icon allows you to edit the posting. The green tick icon allows you to commit the posting, thus making a permanent record of this posting in your book of accounts. And the red cross icon allows you to delete the posting. Now you can be able to add a new supplier invoice into the system. Please feel free to check out our other help videos on the support page of the Uhasibu website.